Is it legal to monitor your child's phone?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on a contemporary and somewhat controversial topic. Today we're delving into the legalities around monitoring a child's phone without their knowledge or consent. This topic is not only interesting, but it's also incredibly important as we navigate the digital era, particularly as parents.
Understanding the basics.
To begin with, let's clarify that the laws regarding privacy and monitoring can vary significantly depending on your geographical location and local legislation. In many jurisdictions, parents are generally allowed to monitor their children's phones, especially if the children are minors. The rationale behind this is that parents are responsible for their child's welfare and need to protect them from potential dangers. However, there are important considerations and limits to this general principle, which we will discuss in the next sections.
The age of the child matters.
First and foremost, the age of the child can significantly influence the legality of phone monitoring. For instance, in some jurisdictions, parental consent is enough to monitor the phone of a minor. However, once the child reaches the age of majority, usually 18, they have a right to privacy, and monitoring their phone without their consent could potentially be seen as an invasion of privacy.
Other legal considerations.
Additionally, it's worth mentioning that certain types of monitoring can infringe upon other laws. For instance, recording phone conversations without the consent of all parties involved may be illegal in some jurisdictions. It's always best to consult with a legal professional to understand the specific laws in your area and how they might apply to monitoring a child's phone.
Ethical considerations.
Beyond the legality, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications of monitoring a child's phone. Encouraging open lines of communication and trust between a parent and child is often more effective than covert surveillance. Privacy is a fundamental human right, and teaching children about their own digital privacy can help them grow into responsible and informed digital citizens. In conclusion, while it is often legally permissible to monitor a child's phone, especially if they are a minor, there are significant legal and ethical considerations to take into account. It's always a good idea to consult with a legal professional in your jurisdiction to understand the specific laws applicable to you. Remember, building a relationship of trust and openness with your child is often the best way to ensure their safety in the digital world. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has shed some light on this complex topic.